All right, okay, those are the top headlines that we are tracking. A lot of stocks in focus. As far as the markets are concerned, extremely volatile. They've been choppy since we started the trading session. After a dip, it got bought, but again, it fell, and now we are seeing some gains again. But it is absolutely flat with some negative bias. The mid-cap side of things, they're underperforming, but there's no decisive move, so to say, on the Nifty so far. And it's really stock-specific action that we are looking at. The Bank Nifty, which was outperforming, continues to outperform. That index is seeing gains of around 200 points right now, and it has been able to hold on to those gains as well. IT pack has made a comeback today, but of course, a couple of these consumption names are under pressure. Rima, after that massive fall that we saw yesterday, today when we opened in the red, the idea was that maybe we could continue with that fall, but it has turned out to be a very choppy session.
Absolutely, flat right now. So if you look at the index, you won't imagine, right, that it's been a choppy morning. But you were talking about IT and how that's made a comeback with TCS, Tech Mahindra at the day's high. On the flip side, HCL Tech has started slipping quite a bit, and HCL Tech is now at the day's low. HCL Tech is underperforming the rest of the pack. We should just get that stock up for you. There you have it. It opened strong, but now it's down close to about 0.3%. Reports numbers tomorrow post-market hours. And remember, HCL Tech was the one which flagged our worries about Q3 earnings when they indicated that this quarter we are going to see higher than expected furloughs, and they're also in a way brought down their FY23 revenue guidance. What HCL Tech has to say tomorrow will be tracked closely, but there is some nervousness going into HCL Tech this time, clearly looking at the price action. But let's welcome Sameet Chavan, the technical analyst at Angel One now for a tech check on the market. Sameet, afternoon, and thanks so much for joining in. Flat, defending the 100-day moving average of 17,906. Thoughts on the way forward?
Good afternoon. See, market has been consolidating in a range. So earlier the range was, around 500, 550 points, 18,300 on the higher side and 17,750, 800 on the lower side. This range has shrunk a bit. Now the higher boundary is somewhere around 18,150. And on the low side, 17,800, 750 remains to be a sacrosanct support zone. So this is the third attempt in last 3 weeks. We are, attempting to snake below 17,750, 800. But we are quite hopeful as of now, and we expect, Nifty to surpass the higher boundary first. So the trigger would be 18,150, 200. Once Nifty surpasses 18,150, 200, we could see this, completion of this recent corrective move, and then probably Nifty can resume its higher degree uptrend. So as of now, market has stuck in a range, but we are a bit hopeful of a, breakout happening in the upward direction. So the, inclination would be on the positive side, and a lot of, despite the fact market is in a range, there are a lot of thematic moves that are playing out well. So it would be a prudent ploy as of now to keep focusing on such thematic movers, and till the time Nifty doesn't break 17,750, 17,800, there is no real reason to worry for.
Okay, all right, Sameet. So that is as far as the benchmark indices and the index level moves are concerned. What about individual stocks? What are you betting on?
See, although, overall IT space has been the real, dragger since last few months, Emphasis is the one stock, from the mid-cap IT space that has been showing some resilience at lower levels. We are seeing good, buying interest somewhere around 1900, 1950. The stock has now surpassed 2000 level. So on the minor degree chart, we are seeing a, bullish breakout with rise in volume. So that clearly indicates at least, from a short-term point of view, this stock is likely to move higher. 2120, 2140, these are the next levels to watch out for as far as Emphasis is concerned, and one can now keep a stop loss somewhere around 1990. Apart from this, the oil and gas space is buzzing since morning, and Oil India is the one stock that we are liking. This stock is not known for its flamboyant moves, but the kind of price and volume breakout that we are witnessing today, stock is at 7 months high. It has surpassed its 200-day simple moving average, and the volume has been sizable. So this clearly indicates at least the stock is likely to come out its slumber phase, and from here on 240 is the next target to watch out for as far as Oil India is concerned. So as a trader, one can keep a stop around 216 and expect a target towards 240.
Sameet, thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll be joined by Madhusudan Bhageria, the CMD at Philatex India. Stay tuned.